How to fix YouTube video captions not working. If YouTube captions are not working on Windows 10 or 11, Mac or mobile, the issue is usually caused by browser settings, outdated apps, or video-specific limitations. So the first thing that you can do is to go ahead and check video caption availability. Not all videos have captions. Look for the CC icon on the video players. For example, this video. Once I hover my mouse into this video, as you can see, the CC icon is available for this video, which means that subtitles and CC are turned on for this video. If missing, captions are not available for that video. Second is to enable captions manually. So on desktop, if you're using your browser to access YouTube, go ahead and click on the CC button, which you'll basically find at the bottom right of the video, and this will allow you to turn on the captions for the video. Ensure captions are toggled on. Third thing you can do is to go ahead and update your browser or the app. So if you're using your browser to access YouTube, go ahead and click on this three dots at the top right of your browser and then select settings from here. And then head over to the About Chrome section from here, and Chrome would automatically start checking if there are updates for the browser, and if there are, Google Chrome would update itself. And that is how you can basically fix YouTube video captions not working.